This is Slash, an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Slash right now is at PetSmart in Nashua with brother Mewit, who loves to be in the spotlight here. So this is PetSmart in Nashua, over near Target on Amherst Street, off Amherst Street. Oh, did you get it, Slash? Slash is a vocal guy. Yeah, he's got this cute little meow that sounds kind of like a foghorn. But I don't think he's going to meow at us right now, because when he's playing, he's pretty happy. But he meows when he's in his cage. Say, let me out, let me out. I want to play, I want some petting. And you, Mewit, you won't leave me alone, will you? You can't get enough attention. You don't want your brother to get any attention, huh? Say, pay attention to me. So these two cats are going to be adopted together. They're great buddies, been together all their years. Only 5. You tell them. I say, it's my toy. It's my video. So having 2 cats that we know already love each other is very convenient for people who are either at work all day or busy in other manners, but need to be away from the house, because these 2 guys, although they love human interaction, can keep each other company. Okay, Slash, you really like that toy, don't you? I say goodbye to you now. Bye, Slash. Have fun.